Hi guys, Darren from venomfluidart.
With Bubbles.
Can't forget Bubbles.
Because I won't let you.
No doubt.
Alrighty, play night in the Venom garage.
Play night.
So,
What
I'm thinking.
Oh, that's a worry.
Always is, isn't it?
It usually is, yes.
We haven't done the ring pour blooms or radials for a while.
Oh.
So, I'm going to leave it open up to you what technique you do.
Okay.
But you got to pour your colours.
Okay.
Alright?
Kill bananas.
Now, repeat what I just said.
You gotta pour your colours.
That's right.
It's gotta be a ring pour. Radial. Or a ring pour bloom.
Good boy.
But you gotta pour your colours.
You're growing as a person this
I
year.
am growing. Oh, there's a crazy fly. Wah!
Oh,
You left
I was
the door
doing
open.
I was doing a really big radial earlier for a skin,
It was huge.
and I think it was nearly one of my most perfect ones I've ever done.
I'm going to throw that up on the screen now.
I was so excited,
Look at it, look at it.
and then it didn't even make it off the spinner.
A bug flew straight into it.
I was like, are you shitting me? But on a good note,
Mm.
he landed and didn't do a backflip.
Which is a
Or
bonus.
the backstroke through it. He just went splat. So that was good.
Right. That looks cool as, I must say. I like it. It's a shame to do anything over the top of that. It's trippy as.
Do the roll.
Rolling. And they're bloom consistency paints, aren't they?
Yeah, they are.
They're not thinned out or anything. They're just...
That's why it's easy to do a dismount, because it just sticks to the side of the cup.
yeah.
When they're as thick as I like them.
Yeah. So they're quite thick, like bloom consistency.
It's actually not bad. Little swells.
Oh, look at
But we don't want to move it.
it. You muppet.
Because we've got the next bit coming up, right?
Rightio.
I was sort of thinking, man, that looks cool. And then I forgot I got to go over it yet.
Oh dear. Well, obviously.
Okay, there we go. Oh, it's sort of cool.
I know, it's super cool.
And I don't do many of these, so I get excited when one actually looks pretty cool.
Oh well.
I'll do some more this year.
Sounds like a plan.
I reckon they'd make awesome landscape backgrounds.
They probably would.
So I'm going to... I've seen a few people do some amazing landscapes. So I want to give it a go. Oh, here we go. Get that down. I've got to remember, because I nearly put the same amount of CA on that I just did the big radial.
That could have been bad.
That would have been entertainment. We're just going to stand here for 20 minutes and watch paint dry. Sink.
So you're doing a ring pour radial.
Yep.
Oh, like that.
I lifted just there.
Why did you lift it?
I have no idea. That's alright. I just went, hang on, that looks like an apple. Look, you put a stalk
It does.
there. You got an apple. Alright. Gotta go for stalling time now. You know why, don't you?
Yes, because you need to let that silicator do its thing so you get your perfect centre.
I'm hearing a bit of sarcasm there,
Yeah.
Mr. Wombat. But it's true.
Rightio. I'll take your word for it.
Two things I have the world of patience with. Watching a radial centre sink. You're just letting it do its thing. And embellishing on the lounge. Everything else, nah.
Yeah, I don't even have patience for that.
But see, it's still sinking.
It's still doing its thing.
Yeah, can't rush it.
Can't rush these things.
Because if you rush it, your radial looks smoochy. Don't like it. Oh, that's cool. You know what I love about doing a ring pour first?
Yeah.
What it does to all the colours in the cells. It's just amazing. It's pretty cool.
I love it.
Mm.
You get some trippy multicoloured cells, don't you?
Yeah, you do. Alright, that'll do. The centre's formed.
That looks good.
But
It does look like an apple.
let's see how she opens. Because I don't have my normal floaty pillow on.
No. You spun it out, didn't you?
Yeah, I wanted to see how different she'd look. That's cool. Give it a flip this way. Now. Oh, that section's cool. Last bubble pop time.
Look at the colours in that. That's nuts.
Got that one white bit.
One white bit. What are you going to do, Bubbalina?
Might be lucky.
Wishful spinning? We're going to go for some wishful spinning.
I think I'm out of paint. Oh, she's close. That'll do me.
Oh,
That's better.
Nice. It's
All
made
right,
it to
I
the
can
edge.
live with that. Pop her up. Don't keep walking away from me.
Nice job. Look at the colours in that. That's crazy.
Yeah, only bit I'm not too thrilled with that bit, but that looks mad, that palette.
Embellishment.
Definitely.
Embellishment piece.
It's the only part I don't like. Like, it's got some cool little things going on down there, but it would have been nice if it was all like that.
Yeah, it would have.
We win some, we lose some.
If it had been on a floaty,
It would have made it easy and taken all that off.
yeah,
Yep. Yep.
you might have just made it perfect. But
There's to trying something different.
there you go.
You don't know till you try.
Rightio, we'll do a flyover.
But I'm going to stick to a floater.
Check it.
That's not bad though.
That's not
I
bad
love
at all.
the colours. Colours look cool.
They do.
It's
Them multicoloured cells are just trippy as.
easy as hell way to get peacock cells.
Isn't it?
Yeah. Easiest way.
Just keep cheap with the way you put the colour down.
Yep, absolutely. You'll get them every time.
I love that. That's nuts.
Cool. Alrighty, so we're going to pause here and come back to you, Mr. Walker.
It sounds like a plan, Bubbles.
Alrighty, we're back.
We are back. Okay.
Got your cup ready?
I got my cup full of fun.
Good boy.
I probably put too much paint in here, you know, for what?
Well, I was looking at that, but I thought you might have been doing something adventurous. One never knows when you get up to something. You know? But you're actually sticking to the rules.
I am sticking to the rules.
Surprising. Some gorgeous colours in there.
Oh, yeah.
That's cool. Little waves. Notice the individual colours lay more bold when you do it that way.
Yeah.
Like a ribbon style with the little fingerlings. That should actually make the colours go really cool. Nice!
Ta-da! Look at them colours.
Yeah, they're freaking crazy cool. Sunshine.
It is sunshine. I love it.
Alright, now you gotta do a technique over it.
Oh, do I have to?
Yep.
damn it.
I do like that. It's really bold.
I know. It's like super cool.
You know what? I could see something like that on a surfboard.
Yeah.
Like that's just bright.
It would look so cool on a surfboard, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. What shall I do? Radial, bloom, radial, bloom, radial,
Weird ass swipe.
bloom. So it doesn't have to be a bloom, it can be just a swipe, can it? Radial swipe or...
No, I said any technique.
Ah.
Bloom, radial, any technique.
Right, just as long as I put my colours down like that.
Yes.
Gotcha.
But I even made you repeat that.
Yeah, no, I really wasn't listening. I was just parroting.
You choking?
I am choking, yes. Alright.
That's enough of that.
Oh, I know. Go bigger. Alright, well, what I might do is... Dun, 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 dun. So it doesn't have to be a bloom, it doesn't have to be a radial, it can be just a
That's what I
normal
said.
stripe.
Any technique.
Right, cool. I just wanted to make that clear, otherwise Debbie's going to say I'm cheating.
Well, Deb's right. You did the other week. Like, she knows the stuff.
She does.
So, shush. You were cheating.
Right, well,
That's what Kate caught you out a few weeks ago for using my blue skewer. You just get dobbed on.
I always get dobbed on.
Yeah. I'd like to invite everyone to our Facebook group, Paint Pouring by Venomfluidart.
And all gang up on the wombat. Rightio. Excellent.
Yeah, that was funny.
Yeah, no doubt.
Because, yeah, if you see him doing something wrong, dob him in.
Yeah, well, you can do that, but I prefer you didn't. I'm always in trouble.
Just the depth that varies.
It is the depth that varies.
That's actually really cool.
Right, so I just wanted something trippy like that.
Yeah. Did you spin out or no?
No, I didn't.
Yeah, okay. So you
Oop.
got a floater.
Yeah, whoop days.
No, that's alright because they're on the centre.
Yeah, no, it's all good.
That was the pink one. Good man.
Right.
I'm watching you now.
It was the pink one.
I know, I watched.
Yeah, I did good for a change. I didn't just haphazardly grab anything,
You looked for the pink one.
I did. See what this does.
Alright, it's going to be cool. Yeah, that's cool.
How cool
Love
is
that.
Trippy!
That's...
Alright, where's my little thing gone? There it is. I was blinded by the colours.
No, I swear, ever since our move, we've both been that discombobulated.
I know.
I'm usually an organised junkie. I know where everything is, and even lately I'm going, where did I just put my drink?
I know. Go figure. Yeah, torching.
That's cool.
That's trippy.
I like that just with the outer swipes.
Yeah. Bit of a pour in the middle, some swipey bits on the outside edges.
That's cool.
Something different. Definitely a load of fun.
So it shows too how the colours can go different, which way you pour it, whether you do it more in a ribbon style or the ring.
Yeah, exactly.
Because obviously when you do your ring too, you're going to get thinner rings of colour.
See the ribbony loops.
Yeah.
has all sorts of multicoloured stuff in it.
Yeah.
That's where I smudged it at the edge. Oh, for days. That'll teach me.
Worked well.
It did turn out good, but I like it.
Yep. That's cool.
Awesome little embellishment piece.
Yeah, that's what I thought. We just hadn't played with Paws mixed techniques for a while.
Nah, just a bit of fun, so.
And I mean, you first did these.
I did, yeah. Many, many moons ago.
Yeah, so.
Yeah, had flip cup blooms and flip cup all sorts of things.
We did
and then
ribbon paw bloom vines.
yeah, there's all sorts of crazy stuff on the channel.
Yeah, it's very cool. Check it out.
Yeah. Rightio then. So, that is it from us this week. If you like that, hit like, share and subscribe. Ring that notification bell.
Ding ding.
That way you get to see all this crazy stuff as we release it. Alright guys, have fun, take care, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.
Have a fantastic day, everyone. Thanks for watching. Go get messy.